I don't buy seasonings in the container. Sometimes, some things I do have in the container if it's just like one seasoning in there. The problem with seasoning sauce is that we can't control the amount of sodium that they put inside the container. So what I like to do, I like to go to places like Central Market. Some Tom Thumbs have it, Albertsons, Winco for sure, where you can actually measure out your own seasonings. Make your own seasonings, you guys. Make your own seasonings. I mean, you know what you want to taste. You know the way that you like things. So it's better just to buy them. It says 79 cents. Now, as y'all can see, this bag was full. But these are herbs, so they're way filled up, and I bought this for 79 cents. You could not buy anything in a bottle for that cheap. These are just fine herbs. Fine herbs. Bag was full. This was $4.23. I've been using this since last year. Very cheap. So got, this is basil. And these bags are empty now because I use them often. But when I fill them up, I fill them probably about to right here. This was $2.20. I encourage you to make your own seasonings, okay? And so I'm going to give you that opportunity today. She wants to know what I make with them. I make whatever I want to make with them. It's up to you. I will go in the Central Market. I will smell the seasonings, and then I just kind of start putting things together. If you want to do some chicken, you might want to start with something like this if you're going to do chicken. If you like garlic, I put garlic in everything.